So since I have been recently to Hawaii, I am in the process of making poi. Poi is made from the taro root. I have found taro root. I bought 2 of them at my local Vons. Now I have been boiling them in hot water, boiling water, for probably about 20 minutes. I bought 2 of them. You peel them like a potato, cut them, and boil them until you can stick a fork through them. Now I have done that. Mine are nice and mushy, and I am going to use my Blendtec blender right here. I'm going to put them in here and I will be right back. Let's see if this works. Okay, I got the poi in here, or well, I got the taro root in here, and as you can see I got this little piece right here. Let's see if I can find it. Now I am using my phone still. Nope. Okay, I can't get that. That might be the blade, actually. Let me see. That might be the blade. This is taro root, and you see it's taking on a little bit of a pink color. When you make poi takes on a purplish color, and it really has no flavor. I like it. Okay, poi is a starch vegetable that is used in Hawaii or Asian cultures, and what you do is you really don't use a fork or a spoon to eat poi. Poi is measured in consistency by 1, 2, or 3 fingers. And what you do is you take a finger or 2. 2 fingers is the desired consistency of most Hawaiians or Polynesians. And you scoop it. And when it stays on your fingers, that's when you have the desired consistency. It's used in place of macaroni, potato. It's a vegetable in Polynesian cultures. And in luau's, it's a staple. We had it at all the luau's that we went to in Hawaii, and it is very good. Usually, they will let it ferment, and I'm not going to let it ferment. I prefer the fresh poi. Poi, in case you're wondering, is spelled P-O-I. Poi. So let me get this going, and I will be back. Okay, now I'm going to take a look at this and add some water to it. See, it's steaming hot, and you want to add cold water to it. I am going to use a spoon. I'll be right back. Okay, so I added a little teeny bit of water to it. I'm going to blend it just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take the lid off here and show you what we have, and it's steaming. This is poi. And if you can see the consistency, I'm probably going to add just a little bit more, but this is the consistency that you want, and it is good. I've already tasted it. It's kind of hot. I'm going to leave it in here to cool down, and then I'm going to add a little bit more water to it. But there you have it. That is poi, and it is delicious. So if you want to try something different for a starch vegetable, if you're a little bit adventurous, try poi. It is really good. You can add a little bit of coconut water to it, coconut cream, coconut milk, and it's even better. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different and off the wall, but it's something different for you to try. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.